Okay guys, magandang laban ha. Sino Love You from Dunya Salud, superstar ng Dunya Salud versus kilala nyo na to, singer ng Sweet Notes to ha, sumali ng tournament. Singer ng Sweet Notes, John Kaputian, superstar ng Kaputian, Sama City. Guys ha, oh. The living legend, Sino Love You ha. Ito player na kaparehas ni Efren Bataris ang edad. Pero nagbibilyar pa rin, mga legendary guys. Pinakalaban na yung singer sa Sweet Notes, sumali ng tournament. Ayan na, inubos na.